I'm going to show you how to turn a plain menu like this into this high-end menu in Canva, completely for free. But stick around, because I'm also going to share the exact font sizes you need so your customers can actually read your menu from across the room, and how to display it on your smart TV. By the way, my name is Sally. Let's jump right into the magic. First, let's create. Choose Videos. The canvas size of the presentation option is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. No matter the size of your TVs, if your TV or display is mounted wide, choose 1920 by 1080. If it's standing tall, choose 1080 by 1920. These are the standard HD screen sizes. In this video, we are going to choose horizontal layout. Go to Elements. Under Photos, let's search for an image. Move to the right to look for the Price tab and choose the Free Filter option. Click on the image to place it. Double-click on the image to adjust within the frame. Let's search for an image. Let's lock the image so we do not accidentally move it. Let's lock the image so we do not accidentally move it. I am trying to move this frame to 0 seconds, but it won't let me do it. I'm going to unlock it for a second. We will create text box here. Now change the color. Change the size. Let's search for the font we need. Click on the font name, then type it in the search box. Change it to left justified. Adjust the line spacing. Let's make a shape. Under Basic Shapes, choose the shape. No color. Add a borderline. Let's add another text box. To speed up the process, I will copy and paste the menu info. Ctrl-V to copy, Ctrl-V to paste. And if you made a mistake, Ctrl-V to undo. Remember, these shortcut keys are your best friends. Let's search for the font we need. Now change the color. We will maintain this font size as the minimum for this design. Let me show you the font size chart. The recommended minimum font size depends on TV size and viewing distance. This shows an example for a 50-inch TV and 7 feet away from the customers. I've linked a chart below. Download it and display it on your screen to see which size works best. Let's add another text box. Now change the color. Change it to left justified. Let's change the font. Change the size. Since we are going to use the same font, let's copy and paste existing text box. After this, we will add a price. Change it to right justified. And let's bold it. You can drag and drop the area to select multiple objects. Copy and paste. Making the rest of the items Let's add an image. Drag and drop the image. Avoid replacing any existing image when you do so. Let's remove the background. If you're using Canva paid version, you can remove the background directly in Canva. Otherwise, you can use Adobe Express. Their background remover is free and the link is in the description. Let's rotate it. Change the size. Let's edit the image. Click on Shadows under Effects. Adjust the attribute. Make a copy of it. You can drag and drop the area to select multiple objects. Let's make another set of this to keep the same format. These steps are basically the same as what we covered so far. Let's change the font. Okay, here I will fast forward the same steps. While I finish this section, here's a quick Pro Design tip. Give your content room to breathe. Avoid placing text too close to the edges, and leave enough space between your items and categories. Keeping your spacing consistent prevents the layout from looking too busy and helps your customers navigate the menu easily. All done. Since there are so many layers going on, I will group the info text part to simplify. Drag and drop to select the information, the text part. Unselect any unwanted object if needed. Hold down the Shift key and click on the object you want to unselect. Let's group it. You can see they are grouped now, and you can open it to see individual layers here. Let's close it for now. This panel shows each object happening when exactly. It allows us to layer different elements. The main track at the bottom holds your background image, while the tracks above it allow us to overlay text, shapes, or graphics that move independently. We will make the background track, which is the primary track, 20 seconds long. The background is currently locked. We will unlock it to make changes. Unlock it as well. Let's make it longer by expanding the side of the block. Drag and drop this side until it reaches to the desired duration. This is the text layer. Bring it to the back of the image. For the info text part, it should appear the whole time, so we will extend it to the whole length. These are image layers. They are a set, so move them together. Let's make each image 9.4 seconds long. As you do it, you can see the duration of the block changes. We will make a small timing gap between these images, so move it a bit. Add another image. And this is the same steps we did. I'm going to overlap this image with the other image to view both of the images, so I know what size it should be. Now I am repeating this. Move these to the same layer as the other ones. We will make a small timing gap between these images, so move it a bit. Extend the timing. We will not place any image at the end of the video. Let's only leave the text and background. I will explain why later. Now, let's make them animated. Click on Animate. You can choose different animations here. We will choose this animation. Both means that there will be animation at the start and the end of the block. On enter means at the start of the block. On exit means at the end of the block. We will choose both. Do the same for the rest of them. All done. Now let's preview it. It is looking great. Even if they are all grouped, you can edit each part. Click on the object you want to modify, then edit it. If you prefer them ungrouped, you can ungroup them, then edit it. Let's rename it to Screen. There is also part 2 for this design. You can check it out in the card at the top. Go to File, then click on Move. Look under All and under your project. Here, create a new folder. Let's name it Your Restaurant Name. Let me close this to show you how to open it for next time. Under Projects, you will see the folder you created here. Now let's export it. Go to Share and click on Download. Now under the drop-down menu, choose the MP4 video option. If you have Canva Pro, you can save it in the higher resolution, but 1080p is recommended when it comes to extend your video length. I explained why you might need to extend your video length in a different video. You can check the card at the top. When you are done, click Download. This is the final design in a video format. Now, where the video ended, it ended with no image. The reason for this is when it's looped, it transitions naturally. Let me replay to show you what I mean. You see, it transitions naturally. Now, save the PNG image files you downloaded onto a USB stick and plug it into your smart TV. If your menu design is vertical, rotate the image or video by 90 degrees. Every TV is a little different, but you should be able to find a setting that lets you view media files from a USB. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for staying with me. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. If you want to skip the setup, you can grab the editable template from my store. The link is in the description. I'll see you again soon.